There are multiple ways to reverse an animation. We could go into this composition and we can bring up all the keyframes for all of these layers by selecting them all. That's Command A to select all the layers in your timeline, and then pressing U to bring up all of the keyframes that we've adjusted. We could go through and animate all of these keyframes individually for each layer, but there's an easier way. So let's go back to the drone shot. And the way we're going to do this is through time remapping and reversing layers. So let's actually first cut this layer at the point where we want it to start the reverse animation. So let's go here, it goes on, and then maybe around here is when we want it to start reversing. So let's trim this composition. Remember the keyboard shortcut for that? Option right bracket, or Alt right bracket for Windows users. Now let's duplicate this layer. So Command D to duplicate, or Control D for Windows. Then right click this top layer, go to Time, and Time Reverse Layer. So this actually reverses the animation. It's hard to see, so what I want to do is drag this top one, the reverse, which I can title Reverse so I know which one I'm working with, put it up right next to the end, and now it animates off. So let's just play through it so you can see exactly what's happening. The top hello layer is the reverse, so everything is going to happen backwards. So it pops on, now it pops off. So that's the quickest way to reverse an animation, by pre-composing first, duplicating your layer, and then reversing the top layer, and then of course putting them together. If I wanted to extend this, I can just move this out to the right, extend this right here until it meets up, and now we have a longer pause before the animation starts. Okay? Cool, thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll dive a little bit deeper into playing around with time in After Effects.